Hello everybody and welcome to this quick video. So I wanted to record this video because I already finished my thesis, my project, my studies as an system engineer. And as part of this graduate project, I developed this app. It's a web app. It's available online, and I think that is very interesting. It's an assistant. It's in Spanish because Spanish is my first language, but so yes, can be used in English as well. But for this focus, at least on my thesis, was focused on people that speak Spanish. So this is a very interesting system. I worked on this for around 3 to 4 months to develop all the documentation and everything, but is great. Is a good start if you're learning Python. It's focused on Python. Is a coding assistant for Python. Is a learning assistant, I would say, for Python. And so the idea is that you can learn Python from scratch. It has a bunch of information so that you can use if you're learning from scratch. It has a lot of examples and stuff, so it is pretty good. So this is just the main screen. It's a landing page. It's very short, but the idea is that it tells you all the things that you can do in the app. So it's great. You can enter here, of course, and you can see all the different kind of topics that you can study in Spanish, of course, in Spanish, tipo de datos, variables y operadores, funciones, everything. You have the option to toggle between one module and the other. You can use OpenAI or Gemini. For this quick test, we're going to use OpenAI because it's easier, but you can also toggle here and change it to Gemini. Right now we're working with this module, OpenAI. You have a quick explanation, of course, very important, the explanation in Spanish. What is the type of number that you have in Python? You got a short example, right? You can copy all the code that is available on this app and all the code that is generated by the OpenAI module. And it's great. It's amazing idea. You have an exercise that you can solve. If you click here, you can see the solution. And the most important part, of course, is to ask the assistant. You have a few frequently asked questions, but you can ask your own questions. So I'm just going to say hello for now, and introduces itself, and it says that he's an assistant that is going to help you to learn Python from scratch, of course. And you can ask any questions, for example, in Spanish. It's gonna be in Spanish. And you can send the questions. What is pretty cool about this is it will give you the information in a certain order. For example, it starts with an explanation, of course. This is just the response of the model. The explanation, you can have some code that you can copy, of course. This was the answer and was generated by the model, and then you can copy all of this code and put it on Visual Studio Code if you're using that, anything. And then, of course, the possible output, sorry. And I think it was pretty good. I had a lot of fun building this app. If you want to try it, this is the number. I can send it I'm gonna post it on LinkedIn as well. So it's gonna be available on YouTube. It's great. It's great. It's very useful if you're learning from scratch. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. And I hope I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.